Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the smartest innovations designed to make life easier for both you and your pets. Today, we're talking about the best obesity solution portion control feeder for cats, the Papifeed automatic cat feeder. If you're looking for a way to manage your cat's diet, prevent overeating, and keep their meals perfectly timed even when you're away, this might just be the perfect solution. The Papifeed automatic cat feeder is a Wi-Fi-enabled smart dispenser that connects to your smartphone via the dedicated app. Once it's set up on your 2.4G Wi-Fi network, you can program feeding schedules, portion sizes, and even trigger feedings manually, no matter where you are. The app records every feeding event in real time, giving you total control over your cat's diet and helping you maintain a consistent feeding routine. This makes it an ideal tool for cats struggling with obesity or those that require strict portion control for health reasons. One of the most impressive aspects of this feeder is its dual power system. It runs on both plug-in power and backup batteries, so if there's ever a power outage, the feeder automatically switches to battery mode. That means your cat's feeding schedule won't be interrupted even if you're away from home. The company recommends keeping both power sources connected for maximum reliability, and the best part is that the app control continues to function even in battery mode. Now let's talk about design and hygiene. The Papifeed features a fully detachable structure. The food bin and outlet can be easily removed and washed with water. This thoughtful split design ensures there are no hidden corners where food residue or bacteria can accumulate. It's perfect for pet parents who prioritize hygiene and long-term food safety. Speaking of safety, the Papifeed also includes a sealed moisture-proof storage system. It has a desiccant box and a tightly sealed lid that prevents humidity from ruining dry food. The lid locks in place using a twist mechanism, keeping the kibble crisp and fresh while also stopping curious cats from prying it open for an extra snack. This is especially important for portion control, as it ensures your pet can't sneak extra food outside their schedule. With a 3-liter capacity, the feeder can store enough food to last anywhere from 1 to 2 weeks, depending on your cat's appetite and the size of each portion. This means fewer refills and more peace of mind when you're away for a weekend or on a short business trip. It's suitable not just for cats but also for small and medium-sized dogs. The Papifeed's slow feeding mode is another highlight. This feature gradually dispenses food, 1 portion per minute, which helps prevent choking or bloating. It's especially useful for cats that tend to eat too quickly. Combined with precise app-based portion control, it's a perfect strategy for maintaining a healthy weight and avoiding digestive issues. To summarize, the Papifeed automatic cat feeder combines smart technology, thoughtful design, and reliable operation to help you manage your pet's nutrition effortlessly. From the moisture-proof storage and dual power system to its easy cleaning and app connectivity, it's a well-rounded, dependable device that makes feeding your pet both stress-free and scientifically managed. If you're serious about improving your cat's eating habits and ensuring consistent portion control, the Papifeed automatic cat feeder is a top-tier choice that deserves a spot in your home. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we help you make smarter buying decisions every week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this one.